1996 Chevrolet Impala SS Sedan. LT1 underneath the hood, power steering, power brakes, AC. That is paired up with an automatic transmission. As you can see, this particular one in the black paint scheme along with the gray leather interior. If you want to check out still pictures so you can see that interior closer, check out the undersides, engine bay, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726, riding on the Impala SS polished wheels. Of course, 96, center console, leather buckets up front. Also, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Just consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. We've been known to assist with transportation also. Once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. A little over 85,000 miles, I believe it is on this one, 87. We'll check it out here just in 1 second. Let you take a peek at the driver's side. We're going to fire this up, let you hear it run. Look at those exact miles. Door panel, of course, nicely equipped. Power locks, power mirrors, power windows, cruise control, tilt column. This one also has some A-pillar gauges added here. Fired up, check out those exact miles. 87,000. There it is, 87,383. Little aftermarket AM/FM CD player. Take a peek at the dash. Nice shape. And you can see there's a little bit of a wear spot right there, a little cracking, a little hole in the seat. Take a look at the rest of the seating surface. Headliner intact, looks good. I think there might have been MagnaFlows if I remember right, looking at the underside pictures of this one. Little rumble coming out of that LT1, nothing crazy, a little bit of a rumble. A little different exhaust tip on there from stock. Alright, let me pause this a second. Let's pop this hood, check out the engine bay, and we'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There's an LT1. Oh, dress up with valve covers on there. Polished ones. Again, 350, so 5.7 liter LT1. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Fun sedans, 1996 Chevrolet Impala SS. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.